Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama Neng Mawadah Warohmah dari Keuangan Perbankan Reguler B. Izin mengumpulkan tugas. Berikut adalah rangkuman dan presentasinya. Name the meeting. These are used by investor, market analysts, and creditors to evaluate a company's financial health and earning. Balance sheet berguna untuk melihat data keuangan perusahaan, apakah perusahaan itu untung atau rugi. Retained earnings can be found under owner's equity. Retained earnings are part of the company's net debt, is retained by the company and is not distributed as dividends to shareholders. Refers to the financial obligation of a company that are not expected to be settled within a year. Non-current atau long-term liabilities are obligations that must be paid and repaid in a relatively long time, can range one accounting period, 1 year or even more. Jadi bisa dalam satu periode akuntansi atau 1 tahun ataupun bisa lebih. Tin for meeting. When should you call a meeting? When a meeting is the best way to achieve your objective. Who should participate? The people who can help fulfill the meeting. Jadi jika meeting itu tidak semuanya ikut, hanya orang tertentu saja, misalkan orang yang hanya berpartisipasi dalam proyek tersebut atau orang yang akan mewujudkan tujuan tersebut. How you stop a meeting from going too long? You have the meeting in room with chairs and make everybody stand. That way they talk a lot less. Nah, untuk mempersingkat waktu meetingnya itu dengan cara berdiri. Kalau misalkan duduk tuh menurut riset itu akan terlalu bertele-tele dan memakan waktu. At the end of the meeting, what shall the leader do? Summarize and remind all the participants of who is now responsible for what and by when. Seorang leader harus mengingat siapa saja yang berpartisipasi dalam meeting tersebut dan tugasnya, serta menjadwalkan kembali meeting selanjutnya untuk menjadi bahan evaluasi ke depannya dan menjadi bahan pertimbangan sudah seberapa jauh proyek tersebut dilakukan. 11 to meeting. Asking for and giving opinions, agree and disagree. 1. Look at the following process for giving strong opinions. Can you and any process for giving neutral or weak opinions? Contoh yang yakin. I strongly believe that climate change is real. Neutral. I really do think that coffee is better than tea. Lemah. Clearly that imported clothes are good. Different opinion. Contoh beda pendapat. Do you think it's good for a child to be quiet and just play on the handphone? Sorry, you're wrong. Contoh yang netral atau setuju. I agree with you, but this one tastes better. Can you add any process for strong agreement? Contohnya, I agree up to point that implementing 3M can reduce the spread of the coronavirus. Concluding a meeting. one and discussion of a point. Answer, I'm sorry, John, but I'm afraid we'll have to bring this point to a close. I think we've covered everything, and it seems that we all agree on the way ahead. So I'd like to go over the decisions we've taken and refurbish some our branches and relocate the others. 2. Begin to summarize the decisions that have been taken. The manager discussion, the branches company, and assigns tasks to everyone who is a member of the project according to their respective fields. At the end of the meeting, manager schedule for the next meeting. 3. Make sure that everyone has understood. Is that unclear? Does everyone agree? 4. Like the next meeting. Can we fix the date our next meeting? I expect we need about 3 weeks. Can we say Monday the 22 and 9? 5. Thanks everybody. Well, thanks you everybody. Terima kasih atas waktunya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.